Fidget trading with my sister on a fidget board.
Starting off with something nice and big, the big old puzzle poppets.
Starting off with something nice and small, I'll add in these mini puzzle poppets.
No, I don't want it.
You don't get to decide.
Huh?
This gets to decide.
Oh my gosh.
Spin again, I guess. Spin again. Let's see. Oh my gosh, accept!
Oh my gosh, I just lost my...
Guys, this is so good. Okay, so since the wheel wasn't too nice to you last round, I'll add in something big, my 3 Nitos.
Well, since you got me so good, I'm going to get you back with small globbles, and they're actually dirty.
Okay, your turn to spin it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, accept!
Oh my gosh, I just got clean Nitos.
I just got globbles, but they're so dirty.
So we both did each other really dirty the last couple rounds, so let's do something fair.
I agree. The wheel decides. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I guess that means accept. Yes, this is so good. I'll just add in some tangles and a snapper.
I'll add in some wacky tracks and a wacky track snapper.
Oh my gosh, I hope it says accept.
No, it's my turn.
Oh, my bad. Let's see. Yes, accept! Oh my gosh.
I'll add in this big pop tube.
I'll add in this mini pop tube.
Gosh, something mini again.
Yep. Let's see.
Your trades are so unfair.
Yes! Oh my gosh, guys, a big pop tube. That was so easy.
I'll put in 3 plastic poppets.
I'll put in 4 phone cases.
Wow.
Who is it gonna be? Yes! Plastic
You
poppets.
really got yourself scammed.
No, not really. These poppets
Too bad
are so
I don't have
good.
4 iPhones.
Comment if we should do a part 2.